After that, I go downstairs and whip up some scrambled eggs for breakfast. Whip up means to quickly prepare food, making a meal or snack in a short amount of time. On busy mornings, we just whip up a quick smoothie. Then, I heat up some water for my coffee. Heat up means to make something warm or hot. Every morning, my brother heats up the food in the microwave. After making my coffee, I sit down with my coffee and scrambled eggs. Sit down means to sit on a chair or even the floor, moving your body so that the lower part of it is resting on a seat or on the ground. However, my brother normally stands up when eating breakfast. Stand up means to get yourself into an upright position on your feet. Usually, my mother pours out some orange juice for everyone at the breakfast table. Pour out means to serve a liquid from a container, transferring drinks from a jug or bottle to a glass or bowl. After breakfast, I wrap up any leftover food to store in the fridge. Wrap up means to complete or finish something, often by taking necessary final steps. We wrap up our picnic by packing away the blankets. Then we help our mother tidy up the kitchen. Tidy up means to put things back in their proper places so that everything is neat. My mom always tells me to tidy up my room. Then my father takes out the trash. Take out means to remove something from a place. Before leaving for work, I check out the weather forecast. Check out means to look at something closely or investigate. My mom checks out the latest news online every morning. We check out the menu before ordering at a restaurant. Before leaving the house, I fill up my water bottle for the day. Fill up means to make something full, usually with a liquid or substance. My brother fills up his car with gas before a road trip. Before leaving for school, my brother packs up his school bag with all his books and supplies. Pack up means to prepare items and put them in a container or bag, getting ready to take what you need with you. My dad warms up the car before we leave in the morning. Warm up means to start something to get it ready for use, ensuring that everything works properly. My mom warms up her coffee before drinking it. As I leave the house, I realize I've run out of time to do the laundry. Run out means to completely finish or use up a resource or supply, leaving none available. My dad drops off my brother at school before heading to work. Drop off means to take someone or something to a particular place, usually by car, and leave them there. I drop off the package at the post office on my way to the gym. After school, my dad picks up my sister from her friend's house. Pick up means to collect or gather someone or something. I pick up my dry cleaning on the way home. Now, it's time for the quiz. Let's see how well you remember the phrasal verbs we've covered. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate phrasal verb selected from the choices given in the brackets. Fantastic work on the quiz. Make sure to stay connected with our channel for more engaging videos like this one. If you want to dive deeper into phrasal verbs, check out our comprehensive phrasal verbs playlist for more lessons and practice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.